Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings. If you see now, for the past 2 weeks, I have been bringing on Mondays the Ganesha cards, and today also I am bringing the Ganesha cards because somewhere people are resonating with the Ganesha cards as well. And today also being my birthday, I thought what other cards than the Ganesha blessing cards. So let's see nurture. It's a beautiful card, a child getting nurtured. So maybe today nurturing is in store or throughout the day, but let's see what are the other things. Okay, two cards have come. Perseverance, I really love this card. It's a card very close to my heart, and the healing card. So let's see what is the message for you all today. So now if we take nurturing, basically nurturing comes, when we have to balance ourselves, we need to work on ourselves, we have to give ourselves, we are so exhausted in lives that sometimes we deserve that break, we deserve that happiness, we deserve that calmness. So today maybe we should just let go of everything and just work on our energies, focus on our inner self. Here if you see it, for me it is the Parvati Mata who is pampering the child. So maybe just you know someone will pamper you today, maybe someone more of a female person will pamper you today, will take care of you today. So take it as a blessings, give yourself a break, and be happy that you have people who are there for you and who are pampering you. Perseverance, maybe here you will feel that you have got all the rewards for your hard work or for your dedication today. Maybe whatever efforts you have put, be it in your personal life, be it in your career, whatever hard works which has you felt that the hard works are, I am working hard, but am I getting the desired outcome or the desired result? Then today you will feel yes, you have been appreciated, and you have for whatever struggles you have been through in your life, you have got the achievements, and you have been appreciated, you have been applauded, and you will feel happy about it, that people around you also love you. So today I feel it's more of a day where people will love you, people will appreciate you, people will resonate with you. What will happen because of all this? You will feel healed, you will feel that you are healthy, you are whole, and you are able to handle all your life without any issue. So today is a real lovely day and a pure blessing day. I would suggest to wear the color yellow if possible today. And as usual, because the Ganesha cards has come, you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. You can offer him some milk today, and you can have that milk also at the end of the day. Have a beautiful and a Ganesha blessed day today. Thank you.